Hi everyone! Welcome po ulit sa video natin ngayon at ang pag-uusapan natin ay Fibonacci Extension Levels. No? So ako po ulit si Forex Coach Jonathan Liu and ito pong video na to ay more on a continuation po ng ating previous video tungkol sa Fibonacci retracements natin. Kasi dun sa nakaraang video, napag-usapan po natin kung paano tayo papasok during a trending market, no, whenever the market pulls back or makes a retrace, a retrace, papasok sana tayo doon para mas optimal yung entry natin. Pero pag nakapasok na tayo, saan ba tayo dapat mag-exit, no? So where do we put our stop losses and where do we put our take profit? So tingnan muna natin kung ano yung Fibonacci extension levels. So ito po yung ating Fibonacci extension levels po, no? Now normally yung ating extension levels at saka yung ating retracement levels ay magkaiba po ng tool sa MetaTrader platform. Pero ang gagawin po natin ngayon, i-combine na lang natin para hindi na magulo. So kumbaga pag nag-draw tayo ng Fibonacci retracement level, kasama na rin po doon yung ating extension level. So today we will still be using our Fibonacci retracement tool at doon lang po natin idadagdag yung ating extension levels. Okay? So let me repeat yung Fibonacci tool pa rin, retracement tool pa rin ang gagamitin natin, idadagdag lang natin yung mga extension levels. Okay? So yung ating extension levels na yan, it's used to identify projected levels where price can reach, no? So kumbaga pag nakapasok tayo ng ating retracement level, dito yung mga target sana natin kung saan tayo pwedeng kumuha ng profit. So our extension levels are 113, 127, 141, and 161. So ano ba yung mga yan? So notice that they are above 0, and yung above 0, that is beyond yung ating move na tinitignan, no, dun sa ating Fibonacci retracement, no, kasi 0% means walang retracement, yan yung tok-tok, no. So above that, you have your 113, 127, 141, and 161, and those simply signify that beyond the whole move that you're looking at, 113 is just additional 13%, 127 is just additional 27%, additional 41%, and additional 61%. No? Kaya yan yung mga nakalista sa kanila. Now, there are more extension levels beyond that, but for the meantime, let's take a look at some levels na medyo malapit-lapit lang at madali nating targetin. Now, naturally, if you're looking at 113 and 127 na levels, madali pong maabot yan. No? They're fairly easy to reach. Now, yung ating 141 and 161, medyo malayo-layo ng konti. So, may mga times na hindi yan inaabot ng market or it takes the market a little bit more time para abutin po yung mga yan. Okay? And naturally, the farther extensions that you have, no, mas mahirap abutin yon sa market. Alright. So, let's take a look at an example over here. No? So, this was still the same example that we had during our Fibonacci retracement video. And kung mapapansin nyo po, na gumawa tayo ng Fibonacci retracement dito from our low to the high kasi dyan po nag-start yung ating uptrend. Tapos yung market retraced down somewhere between 61 to 78%. So kumbaga, ang ganda ng pasok natin dyan. So if you're able to buy that there, where can you exit? So yung ating Fibonacci extension levels, it goes beyond 0. Tapos, nandyan po yung ating 113 at saka 127. Notice, sa example po na to, inabot po natin ng madali yung 113 at yung 127 bago siya bumalik. Yung ating mas mataas na level, yung 141 at saka 161, no, hindi na po masyadong inabot. No? After a while, saka pa lang siya inabot. Okay? So, if we take a look at our charts now, ayan po. So, we're also using the same example. Ito po yung ating pound against the dollar in the daily chart. And our uptrend was established roughly along this movement over here. So, kumbaga yung Fibonacci natin dito, from low to high, dito po natin siya na-establish. Tapos, bumalik po yung market, no, between 61 to 78%. So, ang ganda ng pasok natin. Ang tanong, hanggang saan pwede umabot yung market? Now, if you're looking at very conservative targets, then 113 and 127 would do the job. At kung papansin nyo, yung 113, inabot po yan dito, no? After a couple of, after almost a month, inabot po yung 113, and shortly after, inabot po yung 127 at saka yung 141. Pero yung ating 161 na level, medyo matagal po bago inabot, halos mga 2 buwan mahigit, no? But they were all still reached, no, after a while. Ngayon, yung ating next movement dito, di ba, from our recent low all the way to our recent high, ito medyo malaki-laki yung galaw ng market po dito. mapapansin natin that the retracement level, no, was reached around 61%. So, kumbaga, pag pumasok ka dyan, ganda na naman ang pasok natin, no? Ang tanong, hanggang saan yung ating exit sa market? So, kung mapapansin nyo po dito, looking at it on a broader perspective, after a lot of months, no, saka pa lang inabot yung ating 113. So, recently lang siya inabot, no? And then yung 127, halos ngayon lang, no, kakaabot lang. Yung 141 at saka yung 161, hindi pa po inaabot, malayo pa. But the targets were still reached nonetheless. Now, for the smaller swings that the market made recently, ayan, o, kita nyo, after that, medyo nagkaroon ng konting swing yung market, eh. Zoom in ko, para mas makita natin. Ayan. So, ito po yung market na yan. Makikita nyo po na nag-retrace din yung market somewhere around, ayan, saktuin natin. Saktong-sakto lang dito sa 61%. And then from there, yung extension levels, inabot naman, no? 113 was reached shortly after. 127, medyo after a couple of weeks pa, no? 141, halos magkasabay lang ng 127. And then yung ating 161, medyo matagal, no? More than a month after siya inabot, no? Yung ating 161. Okay? Now, looking at the next movements in the market, kung makikita nyo po dito, recent low towards the recent high. Ang inabot lang po kasi ng market dito hanggang 50% lang. It did not reach 61% anymore. But our targets were still reached, no, all the way up to 141. So, ganyan po yung ating pwedeng gamiting extension levels. No? So, if you have a good entry sa ating Fibonacci retracements, you can use those extension levels para maka-exit tayo ng mas maganda. Ang tanong, saan tayo pwede maglagay ng stop loss? Yung stop loss naman, it should be below yung ating, kanwari kung uptrend yan, yung recent swing low. Kasi yan po yung, kapag nabasag yan, mag-change na yung trend, no? From an uptrend, it becomes neutral. And same thing, if it's a downtrend, then kapag nabasag yung recent swing high, then neutral na yung market nun, or it could be an uptrend already. So, dun tayo mag-exit. Now, what we do is that you can actually add another level over here, at yun po yung gagawin nating stop loss level. So, for us to see that a little bit clearly, dadagdagan po natin ng settings yung ating MetaTrader platform, or sorry, yung ating Fibonacci retracement tool, para lahat nandyan na. So, if you right-click there and go to properties of your Fibonacci tool, makikita nyo po, nandyan yung settings natin ulit. Balik tayo dito sa levels natin. Pagdating sa levels, kindly remember, coming from our past video, ang iiwan nyo lang po dyan ay yung 0, 38, 50, 61, at saka yung 100, no? All the rest, you delete those levels. Para mag-delete, click mo lang, tapos press delete, mawawala na siya, no? So, delete everything. Ngayon, as an additional retracement level that we have, ilalagay po natin dyan, 0.786 for level, and then yung description niya ay 78.6. Okay? So, click ka lang add para magkaroon ka ng bagong level dyan, no? And then you just edit that using this button there. So, ilagay nyo yung description na yan, ha? Now, yun yung ating retracement levels. For our extension levels, ito po yung idadagdag natin, no? Take note na yung expression po natin ng level dito ay negative, no? Kasi po, we are combining the Fibonacci retracement tool with our extension levels. Normally kasi ibang tool yung gagamitin mo pang extensions, eh. Ito, nilalagay lang natin lahat sa isa para hindi po magulo. So, your extension levels here will be negative 0.13. Tapos yung description natin, 113. That will give you the extension level of 113. Yung next po natin, negative 0.273. Ang description po ay 127.3. Next one is negative 0.414. And the description is 141.4. And then the next one is negative 0.618. And then the description is 161.8. Okay? Ngayon, ito po yung stop loss na na-mention ko kanina. Pwede po kayo maglagay ng additional level na positive 1.13. Okay, 1.13. Ang ibig sabihin nito, you're adding additional 13%, no, from the whole movement sa ilalim nung iyong 100% retracement. Para yun yung magiging stop loss natin, no. Pwede nyo lagay dyan yung description as SL space, tapos pwede nyo ilagay dyan yung @ sign followed by %, and then dollar. Bakit? Ano yung tatlong yan? Kapag nilagay nyo po kasi yan as your description, ilalagay nyo yung current price kung nasaan po yung linyang yan. Kaya makikita nyo po dito sa ating pound no against the dollar, no, yung recent retracement na ginawa po natin, nakasulat po dyan yung actual price. So yung SL natin is currently at 1.27647. So if you want to plug in yung actual stop loss, nakasulat na kagad dyan, no? And same goes for the other levels. Kung gusto nyo po din nakasulat doon sa description, just kindly add these three symbols, no? Yung at percent dollar doon sa description nyo dito, no? Just add space, tapos at percent dollar, lalabas na yung actual price for it to be, a little easy for everyone. Alright? So, those are our extension levels, and hopefully, makatulong po yan sa paghanap ng mga mas magagandang targets if the market is trending either upwards or downwards. Tandaan nyo po, no? If the market is trending upwards, ang drawing nyo ng Fibonacci from bottom to top, and then downwards po, top to bottom naman ang drawing ng ating Fibonacci. Alright, thank you everyone. I hope that helps, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy pipping! If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, like, and follow for more updates. See you guys, and happy pipping!